It's cruise day, and I'm going on the shortest cruise ever, 2-day long cruise. Are you curious as to what to pack for a 2-day cruise? Yeah, let's talk about it. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to La Lido Loca. I am your host Tony with a little bit of a packing video today. I've had to make some tough decisions and I've decided what I'm going to pack on my 2-day cruise. And well, let's just go through it right now. All right, let's start with the clothes. I got 1, 2, 3 pairs of underpants. I mean, I really only need 2, but who knows if you have an accident. Shirts, 1 black t-shirt, 1 black swim shirt, and 2 button-up shirts for the evening. Socks, 1, 2, 3. I really need a pair of dress socks, but I'm just gonna be that guy that's got on white short socks with long pants. And when it comes to pants, I got swim trunks, 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of long pants. All right, for toiletries, deodorant, diaper rash cream. Look, it's good for chafing. Toothpaste, toothbrush, hair gel, and a brush. We got a beard brush. We got nail clippers, Tide stick, toothpicks, cologne, and we've got some suntan lotion. I know it's just for 2 sleeps, but I also have my CPAP set up. CPAP mini. Technology, super light these days. Starts with this 140 watt Anchor charger. It's got 2 regular plugs, 2 old school USB A's and 2 USB C's. Need it to charge really the only computer I'm taking, iPad. I also have this kit of wire connectors that I take. You can connect any kind of wire. Extra memory card in there. I have these wires which contain my phone charger, a charger for the iPad. It also has an external hard drive and it's got an external card reader, all in that little package. Taking this camera, which is my iPhone, and I'm taking this camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the Mantis tripod. Accessories for the Pocket 3 is an extra battery pack and a smaller tripod if needed. All right, here's what it looks like when it's packed. Get the CPAP. I do have this 15-foot extension cord I bring with me. Toiletries, clothing, and then, of course, the camera and the iPad, all the tech stuff in that sling there, plus my personals like my passport. So, yeah, there you go. Rosie, what would you take on a 2-day cruise? Nothing? You gonna miss this? There you go. Are there any notable missing items, maybe like pain medication? I do have my own personal medication. I didn't show that. Of course, I got my wallet, my passport, all that stuff that you need to get on the cruise ship. But yeah, we're about 2 hours. Well, we're about an hour away from leaving, and we're about 4 hours from when we need to be on the cruise ship. So we got plenty of time. Only like an hour and a half drive from here to the port. And yeah, short cruise coming up. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like more, please consider subscribing. This is Tony for La Lido Loca, and until the next time, we'll see you on the Lido. Bye.